A woman's place is in the kitchen. American society has long embraced this notion and the overarching belief of traditional gender roles. Our parents knew a time when domestic duties were solely the responsibility of females. For the last several decades, as women have gained more and more independence, there has been a subtle shift to shared domestic duties. For the first time in our society, the new norm includes men in the kitchen.
Me out here in my garden, kind of tend to it a lot. Looks like the virus got it too. It's dying. Well, let's go inside the kitchen and see where the real magic happens. So, in order to save time, I like to cook the Instapot some. Tonight got a pot roast going on. Modern technology, especially in the coronavirus, has been super helpful. Like to cook with the George Foreman grill as well. Currently, it's actually out of commission at the moment. It was an unfortunate accident involving my foot. I was trying to make some bacon in the morning. It's all healed up now. It's not that serious. Some said it was as serious as a head injury, but it turned out to be just a mild burn. So, got a couple more minutes left here. We'll crack it open and take a look at the pot roast. So, pot roast is out. Currently adding a little cornstarch in here. I'm gonna whisk this up, kind of make my gravy. Been a big time saver, especially during the coronavirus, having this Instapot. And throw it all in there, cook it all up. Easy day.
This is a really integral part of the whole process. Is getting the chicken out of the bag. Better, but the camera's on me, you know. Silly chicken, you are dinner. Pepper. More pepper. And that's usually all I need. I think regular salt. We don't have onion salt, so I'm going to say onion powder. It's garlic. I feel like I really get in tune with the chicken.
To really get its intent for this.
I really... You know, you're about to roast a bird in the oven, you know? The least you can do is feel it first.
The least you can do is feel it first.
Really get a sense of who it was.
Is the wash machine plugged in right now?
No, you probably have to plug it in.
No.
Okay.
No, it's plugged in. A lot of people are side.
Can't do that.
But this is what makes it gold, you know? Using that nice golden texture. Oh yeah, and spread those out. Oop. Pooping onions. Peppery. So I do like the pepper.
Just got that at the gym. It's a good thing Dave cooked last night. I didn't have time to between work and everything else going on. So I'm gonna eat some of Dave's chicken and crack open a beer.
This whole pandemic got me thinking, what if we can't shop anymore? So, got my fishing pole. It's actually my daughter's fishing pole. We're gonna be trying to catch some fish. And I'm thinking maybe a little perch flambe, little smoked. Maybe I'll grill it. Stuffed perch with pears. Yeah, I'm going big in the kitchen. Totally self-sustainable.